Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn about using IDLE as a calculator and doing arithmetic in Python programming. We are also going to use variables. So here we are. Before we start, we must have a recap. In the last video, we learnt about basic commands in Python like the print function and the input function. We also learned about data types. So let's know what we learned about data types. We learned about data types that there are mainly four data types. First one is the integer data type. Second one is the Boolean data type. Third one is the float data type. And fifth one is the string data type. So I request you to check the last video as soon as possible. For today, our first topic is calculating using the Python program. So we can calculate like this without using any functions. Like 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We can also write this as int 5 minus 2 like this, apostrophe closed, and another comma, and then 5 minus 2. For our convenience, we will also add the is equal to sign, and then we close it. See, now to multiply, we can use this symbol. To divide, we can use C. This is in the float data type. Since we divided, so this way we can calculate large numbers into the program. This means that to perform mathematical calculations in Python without using the print function or any other function, just type the expression at the command prompt and press the enter key. Also, if an expression has multiple arithmetic operators, then the basic BODMAS rule is followed to perform the calculations. Next topic for today's video is variables in Python. Variables represent storage location, named storage locations, whose values can be changed during the program being run. Based on the data type of a variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. Now there are a few rules for naming a variable. First, we will do an example. I say A and then an equal to sign, and now we have to assign value to it. I will assign the value text. So these this cannot know that this is the string data type. So we will assign a value 1 to 3. See, no errors. But if we really need to add some text data type into the variable, then we can use this method. A is equal to str and apostrophe open, and now we will write our text close apostrophe close bracket, no errors. We set it 2 times. So now we are going to learn the rules for naming your variable. Actually, a user is free to choose or assign a name to a variable, but there are certain rules to be followed while defining the name of a variable, failing which the code may result to an error or may fail to run. The first rule is that the names must begin with lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, or an underscore, which is this. So I can write a like this too. And an like that a will be two different variables. Now, the second rule is that since Python is case sensitive, lowercase a and uppercase a are two different variables. Like this is the small a and this is the uppercase a. Both of them are different variables. We can understand this using an experiment. I have set a value already. Now I will ask the program to print text, and I will ask the program to print this variable. The code may result to an error now, as this is the lowercase a we assigned the value to. See? So we have to use the lowercase a to get the required result. Now, next rule is next rule is the variable name can be of any length, but it is recommended to keep it short, or when spelling changes, then we can't run the code and errors will occur. So we use it small. Except for the first character, the digits 0 to 9 are allowed in the variable name. For example, this is going to be a wrong variable name, while this is going to be the right variable name. Python variables do not need a separate declaration to reserve the memory space. A variable is created automatically when you assign a value to it. The equal to sign is used to assign values to variables. We have used the We have used the str command to declare the variable in string data type. Similarly, we can use float, int, and others to declare a variable like that. Usually, a variable can store integers, which are simple numbers. Another rule says that except underscore, which is this one, no other special character is allowed. So everyone, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. But before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't be missing out on the latest videos.